Got to turn that freaking camera on. Hey, take point.
I just realized you didn't have a mag, right?
Oh well.
What if they
I hope he doesn't. Hold that. It's easier. We have the package.
Alright, we're still in base for separated. You guys on the road?
Hey, put a mag in.
He's not on our team.
Put a mag in. Can you run?
Hmm?
Can you run? Cover. Hey, cover rear. Come on, cover over that way.
Yep. That part is he walked right by me.
They did?
Yeah.
Wow.
Highway, along highway.
Do I have to get you right here?
That's just to the edge right over here. On the side of the tree. Also, but have more of a gunfight.
I don't know.
Damn.
That's like nothing.
Good shit. All right.
Game over! Here's one.
Good stuff.
That's like, I thought it'd be a lot harder.
Easiest game ever.